So friends, during your IELTS exam, they ask you about space and space technology, stargazing, constellation, and mainly things about astronomy. Astronomy is a science of space. You don't need to know technical terms regarding astronomy, but here is an interesting fact that I want to share with you. Perhaps you know about a light year. A light year, it's not like the year that has 365 days. Light year is a unit to measure distance in space. On the earth, when we want to measure distance between two places, we use kilometers or miles. These are the units that we use on the planet earth. But in space, you cannot use kilometers or miles. So you use the unit that is light year. Light year means whatever distance light covers in a year, that is called a light year. Now imagine the light that comes from the sun. It takes 8.3 minutes. Light travels at the speed of 3 lakh kilometers per second. So still it has to take 8.3 minutes to reach our planet Earth. So right now, if we are looking at the sun in the sky, what we see, the image that we see, that was 8.3 minutes before. Like whatever the situation, position of the sun was 8.3 minutes ago, that we can see now. That means whatever image we get, it has a time lag of 8.3 minutes. It comes to us after 8.3 minutes. So imagine there are some stars, some planets that are far from Earth, and they take light years to reach us. For instance, there is one closest star in galaxy which is 4.25 light years away. That means the light from that star, it reaches us after 4.25 light years. Means 4.25 years. That means today what we see, today we see that star if we look through the telescope. That means this image, the image that we see now, it was 4.25 years ago. So let's not get into this complicated matter, but let me show you something interesting about you and a star which is there in the galaxy, which has connection between you and the star. Let me show you. It is like this. It is like this. Suppose your age is 22 years. Your age is 22 years. That means when you were born 22 years ago, there was a star, or there is a star from which a light came to Earth, and it took 22 years for that star to reach us. That means we are looking at the star, we are looking at the image of a star. The light emerged from it 22 years ago. The image that we see now, that is 22 years older, just like our own age if we are 22. Suppose my age is 34. That means 34 years ago, a star which is quite far from us, 34 light years ago, and light emerged from that star, and that image, after 34 years, that image we are looking now through a telescope. That means at the age of 34, I am connected to a star which is 34 light years away from me. Once again, suppose your age is 15 years, right? That means when you were born 15 years ago, there must be some star that is 15 light years away from us. That means when you were born, light emerged from that star, and that light is coming to us, and after 15 years, right now at your age of 15, we are watching or we are looking at the image of that star through telescope that emerged, that originated 15 years ago. So you are connected to that star. So simple trick is that you simply Google a star. For example, your age is 15. So you simply type out 15 light years away. So now what you get, this is Alpha Centauri system, right? These are Bernard star or Wolf or Sirius. These are 15 light years away from Earth, right? For example, my age is, for example, 35. So a star which is 35 years away is L9859, right? It's a red dwarf. That means at my age, 35, right? What star we see which is 35 light years away, the light came here 35 years ago. Same way. Suppose next year I will turn 36. Again, I will type out 36 light years away. So next year it will be GJ740. It looks like a number on a license plate of a vehicle, but this is it. So every year the star will change, that is related to your age, right? Again, it's like this. Here you can see in this image that there is distance of 8.3 light minutes between Sun and Earth. The closest star which is quite near to our planet Earth, which is Proxima Centauri. Again, it takes 4.25 light years. That means it takes 4 years, 4.25 years for the light from this star to reach us. Whatever we see is 4.25 years older. That means, suppose your age is 4 years or 4.25. That means when you were born, at that time, whatever the light came out from that star, that thing you are looking at now, and at the age of 4. So this was it. So once again, for IELTS speaking part, if they ask you, do you know anything about stars? So you can say this, that I read a book, or I read this book by Lisa Kaltenegger, which is Alien Earths. You can simply remember the name Alien Earths by Lisa Kaltenegger. Or don't say that you read the book. You can say that my brother read the book. He is a voracious reader, and he told me that there is a curious fact. There is a connection between your birth year or your age and the star in the galaxy. You can simply Google like this: a star, then your age, right? If you are 36, and then you type out light years away. So when you type in this, a star 36 light years away, you get a star which is right now